Alright, everybody, back here. We've got a 2013 Topps Prime break coming up. We're going to get to this. I just saw a site where they had cases of this. You get 6 boxes for $300. That's $50 a box. You can't beat that. For the amount of hits you get, and this product's pretty sharp to me. This is 2013, so let's have at it. Alright, cool looking cards. Just a clean design. That's like an insert. Prime Timers, Wes Welker. And Dobson. Feels like a patch. Oh, shoot. That's not what we're looking for. Gavin Escobar to 99. That's a dog crap hit. Sorry. I've pulled him like 5 times in boxes this year. Just terrible. But if you've got any Gavin fans out there, just let me know. We can get something worked out on that card. So I really don't want it. Another hit. Oh man, that's dog shit. Sorry. Joseph Randall out of 449. That's our main hit. So we've already gotten 2 hits out of the way. Both Cowboys back up. So Cordero Patterson. And Le'Veon Bell rookie. So we've still got 2 hits. They'll both be relic cards. Okay. That's a cool card. Cool player too. Robert Woods out of 99 with 2 colors. And it's a Denard out of 350. I actually pulled him a lot too. Prime rookies. I think you get 1 of these a box. And Desmond Trufant. Kind of like a gold card of Antonio Gates and Giovanni Bernard. See if we can find the patch and save it. I can't tell, guys. I'm just gonna rip it. Got that last box. And an Ertz to 250. Cool card. A solid player. This feels like it. Terrence Williams rookie. That's kind of cool. Out of 330, Manuel and Geno Smith. First hit I've pulled of them all year. So So let's see if I can get the camera to focus on the 330. It's not wanting to. There's the card. Okay. And a Jocko bass. So that'll wrap up this break. To me, that was a subpar box, but there will always be more, guys. Thanks.